Welcome to the channel. I'm Artisan Seedman and this is Amaranth Heirlooms. This channel documents anthocyanins, heritage seeds and ethnobotanical knowledge through biology, history and cultural preservation. Not trends, not supplements and not speculation. We look closely at how plants survive and how human cultures learn to preserve those traits over generations. Anthocyanins are not cosmetic pigments. They are stress response compounds produced by plants exposed to cold, ultraviolet radiation, drought, and poor soil. Anthocyanins belong to a class of flavonoids. They appear as red, purple, blue, and black pigmentation in plant tissues. In plants, their function is protective. They reduce oxidative stress, absorb excess light, and help stabilize cells under environmental pressure. These pigments are not decorative, they are adaptive. Across unrelated cultures and regions, the same pattern appears. Purple and blue maize preserved by Native American tribes in the American Southwest. Red and purple amaranth cultivated for centuries in Mesoamerica. Black rice maintained in isolated regions of East Asia. Dark beans, berries, and leafy greens grown in cold, high altitude or marginal environments around the world. These crops were not selected for color alone, they were selected because they survived. Anthocyanin expression increases in plants exposed to stress, cold nights, high ultraviolet exposure, low nutrient availability, water limitation. Under these conditions, plants that produce protective pigments are more resilient. They tolerate damage better. They maintain cellular function longer. They persist where other varieties fail. This is not cultural coincidence. It is biological selection. Traditional agricultural systems understood this through observation and necessity. Ancient Native American cultures, Andean communities, Himalayan farmers, and isolated village societies across Africa and Asia preserved seeds that perform reliably under pressure. These seeds became landraces and heirlooms, plants shaped by environment, culture, and survival rather than yield optimization or uniform appearance. The same compounds that protect plants also interact with human physiology. Anthocyanins are biologically active. They influence oxidative balance, vascular function, and cellular signaling. But human health is not the starting point here. The pattern comes first. Across geography, across cultures, and across centuries, dark-pigmented crops appear where survival pressure is highest. That is the organizing principle of this channel. Amaranth Heirlooms exists to document what survives. The plants, the seeds, and the cultural knowledge preserved by people living close to land, climate, and necessity.